Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use Instagram Close Friends. Have you ever wanted to share an Instagram story or a post with a few of your followers? Well, now you can do it with Instagram Close Friends list. Just follow these steps and you will learn how to use Close Friends feature. Go to your Instagram profile and tap the menu button in the top right corner of your screen. Choose the Close Friends option, click on the Get Started button. In the search box, type the account that you want to add to your Close Friends list and press the Add button next to it. After that, click on the Create List button. That's it, you have just created a list of your close friends. The next time you will be uploading your content on Instagram, you can share it only with your close friends. I hope this guide was helpful for you, and now you will know how to use Instagram Close Friends. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.